Latest updates on Nnamdi Kanu's release. Nigerians, this will really shock you how people go about, you know, wanting to get whatever they want. They can do anything, but immediately they get that thing, they don't forget whatever they enter to. Such people are meant to say they are not honorable people. They not get integrity. Anybody when go talk something today and tomorrow saying something else or doing something else or making promises and never fulfill them. These people, they don't deserve to be called honorable. They don't deserve to be called leaders. Any person when they talk and they hold in word, that person a man. You understand? Talking about this Nnamdi Kanu freedom and all that, to record that Nnamdi Kanu was adopted in Kenya since 2021 by President Muhammadu Buhari administration. 2022, Nnamdi Kanu was discharged and acquitted by Supreme Court, right? And the Buhari government they said no, they are not done with him. You understand? Even with all indications that Nigerian government have no proof against him, you understand? They are still holding him. Now, before President Tinubu entered office, una know politicians, they will make all promises. They will do this, they will do that. President Tinubu said the first thing he will do after 1 month, once he enter office, is to release Nnamdi Kanu and other political prisoners and all that. Surprisingly, Nnamdi Kanu family shocked everybody that before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu became the president, they had an agreement. You understand? Not that they had an agreement with Nnamdi Kanu. Tinubu had an agreement with Nnamdi Kanu's family. You understand? All these ones now just to get wetin they want. I beg, make una make sure say IPOB not say no election in the southeast because it go affect am. You understand? So make dem make sure say peace dey for the election. Then once he enter office, he will release Nnamdi Kanu. And now the question now is, why is he not keeping his promises? Why is Nnamdi Kanu still in DSS custody after his promises? And with the indication that Nnamdi Kanu is not even, guilty of what they accused him of, because a competent court of jurisdiction have already discharged him. That one is another one. So the family of the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu said it had an agreement with President Bola Tinubu for the release of the Biafra agitator. Kanu's brother, Naitoka, Naimi Kanu Nwata, he disclosed that he had the parts with Tinubu's son, Sheyi Tinubu, during the build-up to the 2023 presidential election, disclosing that the meeting had the blessing of the president. Kanu Nwata, however, lamented that Tinubu has refused to honor the part by refusing the IPOB leader. In a statement he issued, Kanu Nwata said it was agreed that the IPOB would not boycott the 2023 election on the ground that Tinubu would release Kanu if elected president. The statement reads, he said, before the last election, I received a message from an ex-governor that Sheyi, the son of President Tinubu, wanted to see me. So I agreed to meet with him on the condition that the overriding priority and hence the problem of and everything, and our discussion will be the release of my brother. The meeting was held in Abuja in the presence of another individual whom I asked along to witness the deliberations and provide independent verification should the need arise. Sheikh confirmed to me that his father sanctioned the meeting and that I should consider any agreement we reach as binding on the then candidate, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So in good faith, we agreed that I shall relay the outcome to my brother to reinforce the long-held tradition of IPOB not interfering with the conduct of elections, in either through boycott or any other form of civil disobedience. This understanding was duly communicated to my brother, and he reaffirmed his commitment not to stop the election or order any boycott. When President Tinubu, as a candidate, visited Owerri during his campaign, he too reiterated his commitment to facilitate the release of my brother if elected. We took this public statement as a tax reaffirmation of the understanding I reached with his son, Tinubu. If therefore, it therefore defies logic that nearly 2 years now, after President Tinubu assumed the mantle of leadership in Nigeria, my brother is still in detention, despite not having any charge against him. It has been over 3 months now that Justice Binta Inyako rescued herself from the case, yet no new judge has been assigned, to the case. Nigerians, wahala don burst. See, when you are entering any agreement, be careful with people who you enter agreement with, because there are people who does not have integrity. No matter how, they can never obey or work with whatever they say. This kind of people, they are not referred to as people who are people who have, how do I put it? Every responsible person, there anybody who does not honor his or her words is not responsible. Is not a responsible person. You understand? So that is how it is. So guys, I dey drop am for here. How una see this matter? Abeg, drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, make it go viral so that Nigerians go dey understand wetin dey happen today